Today's tip deals with pauses and transitions. Remember, you prepare your speech, you rehearse your speech, and then you give your speech. But also remember that your audience only hears it once. So allow them to digest it. Give them time to really understand what you're saying. Pauses are dramatic tools. They can help you in getting your message across. You have a pause before and a pause after an important word, and you achieved your goal. Transitions are long pauses with a body move. They usually mark a change of thought. So don't be afraid of silence. Transitions need to have time so the audience knows that you're going to switch to another topic. With a body move, it can be as small as a head move, or it can be a total body move moving over to one side of the podium. In most speeches, there are about 4 or 5 key messages, and in between those, there should be a transition. Mark your transition in your script just with a big line, and if you like, you can put a T on there. It will help you to achieve a better presentation. See you soon with another tip to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.